Hi everyone, just wanted to share this with you because I was able to fix this issue that I've been having, and this could be something that might work for you or not. But if you look here, let me go start my car. You notice that my airbag sign went away and then it goes back. So basically, when you have an airbag sign like that, that means that your airbag is malfunctioning. And I've been driving this car for months now with that airbag sign on. So today I decided to check the fuse of my airbag, and the fuse seems to be intact, but I decided to replace it with a new one, and it fixes that problem. So right now I put the old fuse back in and the problem appears again. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the old fuse again and put back the new one, and then we'll check it again. So if you look over here, the fuse for the SRS can be located right here. So this is your parking brake pedal, okay, and right here is your fuse box. So all you have to do is just pull this thing out, okay, and basically your fuse for the SRS is located right over there. So let me go ahead and pull that out. So okay, so I just want to show you this. So you can see inside it's still intact. There's connection is complete, but if you notice that the footing right here have some discoloration. I'm not sure if you can see that on the video. Has some discoloration in it, so I'm not sure if that's causing it. But if you look right here, this is the new one. This is all clean. Let me go ahead and put them side by side. So this is the old one. You can see that connection, that thing have some discoloration. This one is all clean. So I'm gonna put this brand new fuse, and you can see that once I put this on, my SRS goes away. So let me go ahead and put this thing back on. So that's the brand new one. And now let me go ahead and start the engine. So there's the that's the airbag right there, the red one. So let me go start it. See that it went away already. So I was able to fix my airbag problem just by replacing the fuse. So this thing might help you, or you might have a different issue, but you may want to try that first. So even if the fuse looks good, try to replace it and see if it will fix the problem. See that? So we're good right now. So let me go ahead and turn it off again. Okay, now let me go put it back to the on position again, and you can see right now that thing's gonna go away. See that? Okay, let me go start my engine. So you can see that the airbag sign never comes back on. Okay, so I hope that this video helped you, and if it does, please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. Thank you for watching.